moving. You know why? We lost 2 games with the first against Marumo and Skukun. Lo akusho ukuthi sibad. You know why? This lose doesn't mean ukuthi it's illegal sithathe. Yangizwa? It doesn't mean ukuthi mawuluze against Sundowns you won't win a league. In order to win the league, you have to beat the small teams. Yangithola? Even against Chiefs, even singa draw ngiyasho namhlanje singabuya la FNB next week. Ishayi Chiefs. That doesn't mean ukuthi ngeke sithathe league. Yangithola? Mama lamagama wami. I win, it's just a setback. I lose, it's just a setback. Siyafocus manje, siyabuya. Ko bamba lamagama yami siyabuya. Siza la.
Ngifuna ukutshela ngedabi vele.
No, siza la. Ne? Ngithi nanoma singathola draw or lose against Kaizer Chiefs. That doesn't mean ukuthi izosivalela ukuthi siwine league. We've got 14 teams. You played against 2, ne? You lose 2 games. Look, 15 games against Sundowns. Besikuphi? Besiphezulu kwe-Sundowns angisho. Bheka manje siluze against Isikukune, siluze against Marumo, siluze against Sundowns. 3 lose. But we're still in number 1. That doesn't mean ukuthi ngeke siwine, siluze i-league. Yangithola? Bheka lento leyo mngani wami. Ngiyangibonga.
Nonyabonga Mr. Bucks